In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show cutoff text in Smartsheet by using text wrapping. If you've ever opened a Smartsheet sheet and noticed that some text is getting cut off, don't worry. This usually happens when the content inside a cell is longer than the visible space available. The good news is that Smartsheet gives you a simple way to make that text easier to read without changing the content itself. Start by opening the Smartsheet sheet where the text is being cut off. Once you're in the correct sheet, look for the specific area where the problem is happening. You can click directly on the cell with the hidden text, or if you want the same formatting to apply more broadly, you can select the entire row or column instead. This is helpful if several cells are affected and you want to fix them all at once. After selecting the cell, row, or column, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. You're looking for the formatting controls, specifically the wrap text option. Depending on your screen size or layout, this may appear directly in the toolbar or inside a formatting menu. Take a moment to find it because this is the setting that tells Smartsheet to display long text on multiple lines instead of cutting it off in a single line. Once you find the wrap text setting, turn it on. As soon as it's enabled, the text in the selected area should begin wrapping within the cell. That means the content will flow onto additional lines, so more or all of the text becomes visible. If the text still doesn't appear fully after wrapping is turned on, the next thing to check is the row height. In some cases, the row may need a little more vertical space to display everything clearly. Adjust the row height as needed until the full content is visible and comfortable to read. Now, review the cell carefully to make sure the full text is showing properly. This is an important final check, especially if the cell contains longer notes, descriptions, or detailed updates. You want to confirm that nothing is still hidden and that the formatting looks clean. Once everything looks correct and the text wraps the way you want, save the sheet. That way, your changes are preserved and anyone viewing the sheet later will be able to read the full content more easily. And that's it. That's how to fix cutoff text in Smartsheet using text wrapping quickly and clearly.